In this video we're going to do the second sound test for the Soundz Customz audio system that I have on my 2016 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Ultra. Once again, if you haven't seen the first video, I'm running the Iron 65s front and rear and the Soundz Customz amp 4.100. We're going to get out on the road. We're going to get up to about 55-60 miles an hour. The microphone is located inside of my full face helmet, so I'll try and do a couple samples with the visor closed and open so you can kind of get the wind noise, see how that affects the audio. I'll try to pick a couple different tunes so we can hear a couple different styles of music while we are at it. This is 60 miles an hour with my visor closed. Volume is just over halfway. Visor open. About 65 miles an hour. Bluesy kind of tune here. I'm gonna crank her up. I held my head up high like you did. Dug up my golden visor is closed. This is pretty close to full volume. I think there's about 4 bars left. Kind of hip-hop sound, about 60 miles an hour. Again, about 4 from the max. Jerks, right? Alright, y'all, so that was a little sample of about 55 to 65 miles per hour with the Soundz Customz, to give you a little bit of an idea of how it sounds at higher speeds. Again, in the previous video we did about a 30 mile per hour speed test. I'm going to do another video at about 75 to 80 miles an hour on the interstate. So if you want to continue to hear the audio samples, then click the video that pops up in the screen around here somewhere. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Stay safe out there as always. We'll catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest.